Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on driving mode automatically on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings app. Once you're there, just scroll down a little till you see the focus section and just tap on it. And if you don't have the driving focus mode on right here, just click on the plus sign at the top right, then tap on driving to add it. Customize focus. Once you're here, just need to go back. As you can see, the driving option is right there. When you go here and scroll down, click on the while driving option right there and set it to automatically. And you could also set it to activate with CarPlay, which driving focus can be activated automatically while connected to CarPlay. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.